Okay, let's carry on with our ruler here. So in the last video, I showed you how to lay these out, and we went for the full length of our piece of paper right here. So we need to mark these out on the whole length of our batten right here, but our piece of paper is slightly short, isn't it? So here's what you're going to have to do. You're going to continue off from where the last one that you did. So this is the last one that I was working on. I'm going to grab my ruler again, and I'm going to line up, just like we did at the start on the edge. I'm going to line that first rectangle up right where that last one that I did. Okay, so it's lined up right there. And I think you've guessed it at this point. You're going to continue the same fashion. You're going to start marking these, just like you did before, all the way along. So by using that small piece of paper and just moving it over, we're able to mark a full length ruler out of this. Okay, you can see again I've fallen short here. I can fit a couple more in, so all I'm going to do is move this along to that first one again, and I can fit another two. It looks like I can fit one there and one here. Okay, and there you have it, guys. We don't need this piece of paper anymore. Okay, we can get rid of that. So there we have it. There's our lines all marked out. Okay, all the way down. Now, what I would like you to do before we wrap this section up, the part where we started here, make a little arrow as an indicator. What that arrow is going to represent is this hook on a tape measure. So whenever we measure it out of a tape, we have the end with the hook on it, and that would hook on the piece of wood. This arrow is going to represent that hook. Basically, this is the starting point. We're always going to work from our left to our right with this. And if we go all the way over, you can see this is the end right here. So this isn't, you can mark this with the end that we're not going to use. Okay, so that's our ruler laid out right here. Technically, you can do the rest of it as it is, but in the next video, I'm going to show you how to improve this even more. Okay, so keep tuned for that next one.